Hey everybody, welcome back to the Steele Hyundai channel. This is Zach, and behind me we have the 2023 Kona, and today we're going to do a quick 5-minute video. We're going to walk around the exterior, we're going to look at the interior, as well as go over some features and take it for a quick drive. So if you find this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. So starting off under the hood of this Kona, we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and your fuel economy per 100 kilometers would be 8.1 for city, 6.8 for highway, with a combined of 7.5. Now let's have a quick look at the exterior. Checking out the exterior of the Kona, you will have LED daytime running lights, LED headlights for high and low beam, with automatic lights. Working our way to the side. On this trim level, you will get 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You will get 4 disc brakes all around. Also, I should note that the mirrors have blind spot detection and integrated turn signals. Privacy glass for the second row and the back. Really distinctive modern body lines. This vehicle surely stands out on the road. That being said, let's take a quick look at the interior. Alrighty, here we are inside of the 2023 Kona. As you can see, you have a leather-wrapped steering wheel that is going to be heated in 2 stages. You also have a faux leather interior. Front seats are going to be heated with 3 levels. Leather-wrapped shift knob. You have 2 really nice displays here. So you have your digital instrument cluster, as well as your multimedia display. Physical buttons located right down below. You also have 2 USB Type-C chargers. On the driver's side door, you'll have your window controls, door locks, and power mirror controls. And in the back seat, you have a 60/40 folding. There is more USB Type-C connections back here as well. There is no HVAC for the back row passengers. You get a full cloth headliner with a sunroof. And with that quick look at the interior, let's take it for a quick drive. Alrighty, we are behind the wheel of the Kona. One thing I did want to mention is throughout this video I've been referring to this as a 2023. It is in fact a 2024, so keep that in mind. With that being said, first impressions behind the wheel, so far so good. The suspension really absorbs a lot of the bumps and the shocks. The handling is very responsive. I'm going to go over some train tracks here and see how loud it is. Very nice. It's very quiet inside of the cabin, and in my opinion, I would say that this is the best mid-size SUV in the Hyundai lineup when it comes to value. It has just about everything that you could want. Alright, and now we're going to approach this turn. So we're going to go uphill, and we're going to see how the acceleration is on this vehicle. No problem getting up to speed on this hill. So yeah, that just about does it for this video. Of course, we're not able to cover all the features, but if you have any questions about the Kona or any other models in the Hyundai lineup, feel free to reach out to me directly at the dealership. I'd be more than happy to help you out. I'll see you in the next one.